Alright guys, so I want to do a full unbox review and setup on my new heavy duty push cart. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Right out of the box, you can tell this thing is built to handle some serious weight. The platform is solid steel plate with a nice durable finish, and it comes with a non-slip mat to keep items secure while in use. You've got 4 heavy duty wheels, including 2 with 360-degree swivel action for smooth turns. The assembly process was quick and simple. The wheels attach easily to the frame. Just secure them with the included hardware, and as you can see, you are good to go. Now that it's assembled, let's take a closer look. The platform is a generous 44 by 28 inches, which is plenty of space for large or bulky items. The non-slip mat is a nice touch. It keeps items from sliding around during transport, which is more important if you're moving things like fragile boxes or equipment. Another great feature is the anti-collision bars on all 4 corners. They're not only there to protect your feet while you're using the cart, but they also prevent damage to walls or surfaces when you're maneuvering it in tight spaces. Now let's see how it handles some actual work. First up, I've got 2 box springs to load up onto the cart. With the large platform, there are more than enough space to stack them side by side. The non-slip mat keeps them in place while I push, and the cart doesn't even flinch under this weight. The handle is padded and comfortable to grip, which makes it easy to steer even with the load like this. The swivel wheels are doing their job too. Navigating corners and tight spaces is smooth and controlled. Even when I make turns, the cart stays balanced and the box springs don't shift around. It's clear this cart is built for heavy, bulky items like this. As you can see, the cart is built to last and can hold up to 2,500 pounds. Alright, next we're going to put on some different work on, so we're going to load up some garage door rails and a garage door opener onto the cart. These are long, awkwardly shaped items, but the extra large platform handles them easily. I can position the rails without worrying about them hanging off or tipping over. The anti-collision bars help them keep everything secure and prevent damage to the rails or anything nearby. As you can see, as I push the cart, it feels solid and stable even with the uneven weight of the garage door opener. The rubber wheels roll smoothly across the floor and the noise is minimal. Again, the swivel wheels come in handy, letting me make tight turns and adjust my position easily. The cart is a game changer for moving heavy items or oversized items. Whether you're working in a garage door, warehouse, workshop, it's built to make your job easier and more efficient. When you're done using it to collapse the cart for storage, you push down on that release lever at the bottom. Once the lever is engaged, the padded handle folds down smoothly until it lays flat against the platform. So if you guys are looking for a new heavy duty cart, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.